If you're copying the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s, please let me know down below in the comments. Comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you're passing, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who in the Moore family is copying the J Balvin Air Jordan 3 and who is passing. The Air Jordan 3 J Balvin releases on my birthday tomorrow, September 23rd. Retail is $250. I have to give a big shout out to Chicago Imperium. Make sure you guys check him out for early sneakers, and you guys can use my code Danny Moore on his website for $10 off your purchase. These do come with a sleeve, a midnight purplish sleeve here, and then you do have a very dope box with a bunch of details. We have a message here on the box from the man himself, J Balvin, as well as the logo, the smiley face logo of J Balvin. Let's open up this box. Speaking about the box, you do have that purple elephant print going all along the box, as well as take a look at that size tag, take a look at the label. Multicolor, 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 but this right here is the white, the sunset colorway. The tissue paper does have a bunch of writing throughout the tissue paper in more of that sunset theme, and we get into a purple writing as well for more of the sunset theme. And right here we have the shoe, the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin, and I must say, these are a problem. These are straight fire. These are crazy in hand. The details are crazy. These are underrated. These are so nice. The Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. You do have Nike Air on the back. Once again, with the sunset theme. So you do have yellow. You got orange, purple. You got a handful of colors in there to make up the sunset theme. It's awesome that we get to see Nike Air on one sneaker and the J Balvin smiley face on the back heel of the other shoe. I think that's a great detail as far as the back heel. The midsole also follows suit with these colors just going along the midsole. For the rest of the upper, it's not a true white. It's more of a vanilla cream color, that aged look that's really in right now and has been in for a while. But the quality, oh my goodness, this leather is extremely soft, extremely tumbled. You do have some suede on the back heel as well. They did switch up the material for the sock liner for a little bit. It's definitely a different material than the normal Jordan 3 for the sock liner. And then on the tongue, you do have a gold stitched in Jumpman. You have cream laces already in the sneaker. And for $250 retail, you think we would get some extra laces, but that's not the case. No extra laces on this release. However, you do get a hang tag with the J Balvin smiley logo on the hang tag. That's a nice touch. Throughout the entire sneaker, where all the leather is, you do have, throughout the panels, you do have yellow. So you will notice that throughout the entire shoe. And for the outsole, oh my goodness, a very nice translucent outsole that you guys know is going to get dirty very quickly. So I highly recommend putting on Drip Grip sole protectors. There's no slips, no tears, multiple wears with Drip Grip. I'll have a link for you guys down below in the description. Make sure you guys check that out and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. I have a question for you. Does the J Balvin Air Jordan 3 remind you of the Air 3? Because it does for me. Having them both in hand now, I thought the J Balvins would be a lot whiter, but no, the Air 3 is definitely more of a true white, where the J Balvin is definitely more of an aged look. Big difference. These are going to be a problem. These are going to sell out instantly. They already sold out on J Balvin's website, and they'll be releasing on the sneakers app. Instant sellout. These are going to fly. Resell right now is at around $380 to $400. I think prices are going to come down a little bit. Not too much, but I do think prices will drop. These are a limited pair of sneakers, very limited, and in my opinion, the best pair of J Balvin sneakers there is, in my opinion. Right here, this is the best one by far. Not a fan of the ones, not a fan of the twos. These threes, These are straight fire. These are a problem. I'm wearing the new collection from Outright brand for the J Balvin Air Jordan 3. This collection will go live as soon as the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin drops. So make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Check out Outright brand. Outright brand makes very high quality clothing to match your favorite sneakers. Every week we get a new sneaker drop, while Outright brand has a new clothing drop to match your favorite sneakers. Don't worry, if you're not getting the J Balvin 3s, you can still wear this t-shirt with a bunch of your favorite sneakers. It's universal clothing. Everything fits true to size. Thank you, Outright brand, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys cop the drop as soon as the J Balvins go live. So does the merch, and it's gonna sell out quickly. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do to enter this free sneaker giveaway is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys leave a comment, let me know your size, and then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Palomino Air Jordan 1 giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube in about a week's time, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. J Balvin was spotted wearing a black version of this sneaker, which I also think looks absolutely fire. Hopefully those release later in 2024. Hopefully we get those. These right here are a great pair of Air Jordan 3s. Don't sleep. And these right here, the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s, are going to be a problem. This is a straight fire release. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 3 J Balvin is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.